Good morning from Grand Plain Farm. It's November 16th, 2025, now 9 a.m. and I have a flat tire again. Yeah, I'm about to put some goop in the tire or something. I did pretty good for a while. And yesterday was flat. And so I aired it up and it didn't hold overnight. Down here to feed these animals. It's 48 degrees, I believe. Pretty cloudy. What's your favorite place to stand, Harold? 7-Eleven chicken, so it's time to eat. Everyone's fed. I was finally able to get the water off the tarp. I had these spread out so they dry out, and then this valley here is full of water, so now I can resituate the tarp. It was pretty heavy. Yeah, drag it back up on top. And there's Spaz looking for mice. Everybody's happy. Still have that red chicken. Don't live here, but it does. Anyway, it's not my chicken. I try to feed it, and it's still leery of us. If you need a goat, these two babies right here, they need to go down the road, and there's two over there. Egg production's really slowed down. That time of year. So today is Sunday, and my wife's up there making breakfast.